guys, and welcome to my channel, Totally Transformed. If you guys like mojitos, you will love this drink.
This is a good source of folate, so.
Mojito, oh wait, we gotta, cheers.
Cheers. Yes, to a refreshing summer drink.
Guys, I'm here with the Juice Lady Sherry, and today we are going to do a special drink for you. A mojito. We're gonna do a mojito, but it's gonna be a virgin mojito, so it'll be a mocktail. Doesn't that sound good?
Yeah, I can't wait.
I know, and then we're gonna make juicing fun here, you know, in this whole thing. But I've only done the mojitos, like what they say is muddling it, but we're gonna try juicing it and see how it turns out. So, all right, if you guys like mojitos, you will love this drink. It's super nutritious for you too. So we're gonna start off with lime. And Sherry, what can lime do for us?
Lime is a great source of vitamin C and bioflavonoids, but you know what you need to do to get all your bioflavonoids? Well, this has some actual skin on it. But leave as much of that white pithy part as you can on your citrus, like your limes or lemons, when you cut off the outer peel. You don't actually have to cut off the outer peel, but if they aren't organic, you should. And then you get bioflavonoids and vitamin C, and the flavonoids help the C work more effectively. And we all need more vitamin C right now for our immune systems.
Definitely. So we are using the Namawell juicer. This is my new cold press, slow masticating juicer. And so what I'm gonna do is, since I haven't made this before, I'm gonna separate it and add this juice into here first. That's 3 limes that we juiced.
And a full little cup of juice.
And you do want to turn it off in between juicing is what they say. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is juice all of this mint, okay? Because that's part of what's in a mojito. And so what we're gonna do is feed this in this way. I'm gonna break it up, turn it around, and just get it in here like this. And then bring it down. This does greens really well. So what about mint? What is so great about mint that will help people in their health?
You know, I just looked up mint to see what's in it. This is a good source of folate. So attention to all the ladies that are pregnant or want to get pregnant, and you know you need more folate in your diet. This is excellent. Start adding more mint into your diet. It's also really good for digestion. It's antiviral and antibacterial. It smells fabulous. If you have a stomach, any kind of stomach issue, mint is really good for that.
Yeah, and then I'm reversing this right now just because it's greens, you want to do that. But in Chinese medicine, that's where my background is. We use mint, it's called boho. And we use it in different formulas all the time, and it's just great for reducing fever. So even in essential oil, you can put it on the bottom of your feet to reduce fever. So yeah, even with COVID, you can probably reduce it. If you have a slight fever going on, just try and, you know, do some spearmint tea or mint tea. Spearmint's more cooling than mint. Spearmint's awesome, by the way, for hormone balance. I love spearmint, but peppermint's both warming and cooling. It's supposed to be good for pain. And then also, they use it in all kinds of different formulas just to kind of moderate it. If it's too warm, they cool it down with mint. So mint is amazing. I just love it. Summer heat, it cools down summer heat. But again, spearmint's probably a little bit more better. So if you have a tendency to be super hot all the time and like having a fear of heat, like some people have out here in Arizona, and there's a lot to be afraid of because it's really intense, drink this mint. It's really good. Add it to your juices. Okay, so now we're gonna put this together and see what it's gonna taste like. So we're gonna add this into our little mojito glasses. We're gonna add some of the juice of the lime. Now in mine, I'm gonna add a couple drops of monk fruit sweetener, okay? I mean, just a few, because I'm not gonna do too much. Sherry's not big on the sweet. We're both sensitive to sweet, but she's more sensitive than I am, okay?
Yeah, super sensitive.
All right, and then I'm just gonna add a little bit of the mint to this and see what it tastes like. And if I want more, I'm gonna add more. Then the next thing, coconut water. Coconut water is huge for Phoenix.
Hydrating,
Yes.
very hydrating, and rich in electrolytes. So if you start feeling faint, like maybe heat stroke kind of thing coming on, get coconut water as fast as you can, because it's going to help replace electrolytes and very hydrating for your body.
I have read sometimes that it's just as good as getting an IV at the hospital. Isn't that crazy?
I've read that too.
Yeah, and so it really matches. It's really great for our bloodstreams. But the thing is, guys, if you like to exercise in the summer out here in Phoenix, Arizona, or someplace that's really hot, drink coconut water instead of just water. You know, the best water too, we have spring water here. Spring water is the best water, one of the best waters to have, because it has all the minerals in it. But I have found that this has helped me a lot. If I just drink a bunch of water and then I'm not feeling at all still thirsty, you know, this will calm it down. Plus this helps your blood sugars because it has a little bit of sweetness to it. And so, oh, I already added that in there. Whoops. Now we want to do.
Now you want your sparkling.
You want the sparkling. I'll give the one that's sparkling to Sherry because now you want the sparkling water, spring water. Yeah. All right. So go ahead and taste that and see what you think. Mojito. Oh wait, we gotta. Cheers.
Cheers. Yes, to a refreshing summer drink.
Oh my goodness, that is so good.
Mmm. This is wonderful.
Isn't that
I don't
neat?
think you need more mint. I really taste the mint.
Yeah.
This is
I think this is just enough
lovely.
for. I'll just add that to there for the Father John.
We'll make one for my husband.
Yes.
He'll love
Okay.
this too. Very hydrating.
All right, guys. I'm gonna put the recipe below. That worked out really well. So if you want to juice this and just have a fun, different juice for the summertime, make it fun, guys. Make mocktails. You know, you can do watermelon and some of this, you know, to put a little bit of water in that, and then put lime. There's all kinds of stuff you can do. That would be amazing. Cranberry juice.
Cranberry lime is so good.
Yeah.
And you could do lemon or lemongrass. Some people like lemongrass in with maybe a fruit like watermelon. Oh, all sorts of little options for you. You could freeze some. Can't you taste this would be a good popsicle?
Yes.
As I was drinking this, I said, wow, you could pour it in ice cube trays and have little mini popsicles.
And maybe some of you, you know, you had a chronic illness and you used to enjoy having a cocktail every so often. This is such a great thing. Or if you are on a journey like myself that's on a health journey and you're going to a party that has cocktails, you can bring this for people that aren't, you know, drinking alcohol. I think that'd be perfect.
Absolutely.
So, yeah.
And for kids.
Yeah.
This is great. They get to have something, you know, if everybody else is drinking wine or beer and then all the little kids are there, they could have a mocktail. It'll be fun.
That'll be fun for them too. Anyway, guys, we just hope you enjoyed that recipe with the Juice Lady today. We're going to put some information down about her retreats, juiceLadyInfo.com. I'm going to put the recipe below, and if you want to know more about me, I'll have my information below as well. And yeah, guys, like this if you like, share it with people, please. We would love that. And we'll be posting more of this stuff too on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at Dawn Kruger Sharon. Juice Lady Sherry is on Instagram as well. So we'll just leave, again, all the information below. Subscribe to my channel, subscribe to her channel, under also Juice Lady Sherry, I believe, as well. So mine's totally transformed, and we would love that. Okay, guys, love and blessings.